How to advertise on Telegram ads. In this video, I will show you how you can advertise on Telegram ads. So in order to advertise on Telegram, you have go to your Google account and just search for Telegram ads. When you search on Telegram ads, the first website Telegram ads, open this website. When you open this, just log in to start advertising. Click on log in to start advertising. Click on this. When you click on this, now it's asking log in with your mobile number. So you must have your Telegram account, or just sign up and create your Telegram account. Now log in with your phone number with your Telegram account. So I will log in with my number and click on next. Now after login, select your personal account, then complete this form like your full name, your email, your phone number, your country of residence, your city, everything. Here in target specific channel, you can paste link of your specific channel that you want to target. And now here CPM in turn. Now CPM in turn mean cost per thousand impressions. So it depends on you how much you want to spend per thousand impression. But if you spend more, you will get more impressions. Now select your daily budget. It's also up to you how much you want to spend daily. It's mean your $10, $20. It's up to you how much you want to spend. So select everything, fill up this form, and just click on create ads. Now here after you click on ads, just now add some fund in your Telegram. So for that, click on add fund on add fund on fragment, and here add some funds, and then you can continue by paying your fee, and your ad will be advertised on Telegram. So this is the way you can advertise on Telegram ads.